Uh-oh.
Tell me what you're doing.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing?
Look at Scoop. Scoop.
I'm gonna scoop it out.
Turner. Put your eye. Smack. That was a smack! Ow!
Well, scoop carefully and
Smack!
why don't you use your hands and scoop the snow out with your hands and put it in the snow cone. And put it in your cone. Get a big scoop.
I did get a big scoop. I did.
Get another one.
I got one.